The iMac G5, released 31st of August 2004, was the last iMac to feature a PowerPC processor. It had a lifespan of 2 years, which was due to Apple jumping ship over to Intel, which we can now look back on as a great idea for them, as it was becoming the industry standard. The iMac G5 also marked Apple's transition to a more traditional all-in-one format that can be seen in newer Macs of today. The machine to come out after the G5 was the 2006 edition of the iMac line, running a Core 2 Duo and looks practically the same besides the vertical ports on the G5 and the iSight webcam, which was featured in some later G5 models, but is most commonly a way to distinguish the two lookalikes. The maximum supported OS with the G5 is macOS 10.5 Leopard, which may be a deal breaker for many looking into getting a cheap Mac, as you can get a 2006 model for virtually the same price, which can run all the way up to 10.7 Lion, which can support modern features such as iCloud and even the early edition of FaceTime. My G5 here is running 10.5 with a skin to make it look like OS X El Capitan, known as Leopard Rebirth, a free theme that changes the look of the traditional Leopard experience and makes it more, well, modernised. Here's the thing with the iMac G5, and well, any G5 system of today. The support is completely non-existent, and any sort of web browsing is completely out of the picture, especially YouTube playback. And I kid you not, I wanted this machine in 2016 to edit my videos off, because at the time I didn't realise PowerPC machines were severely crippled in terms of speed, and I thought that upgrading the machine to its maximum 2GB of RAM would improve editing, but no. So, in conclusion, don't buy one of these in 2018, unless your only purpose is collecting these now retro machines. While yes, there is people out there making applications to revive this old series of processor, it will never be fast enough to do anything on. I do love this machine, especially with its white plastic design, but there's no practical reason to own one for daily use. In fact, not even as a secondary machine. I'm Owen, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.